Hello there, informed beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to create a skincare routine. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so that you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? So you guys know the video I did on pet peeves, like my skincare pet peeve, and I talked about how the girl used like 11 items in her skincare routine for the morning and the night, and how I thought that was just like too many products and it drove me crazy. So I decided to go ahead and do a video for you about how you can create a skincare routine. Like, it doesn't have to be where it's like 11 items, but what items or what should you get to create a simple skincare routine. So that's pretty much what we're going to talk about here today in this video. If you have any questions about anything, of course, you can go ahead and you can leave them down below, as well as I will leave my current skincare routine and products that I love down below in the description box as well, so you guys can kind of get a look at what I personally like when it comes to my skincare routine and like my acne journey and all that fun stuff, okay? So the first thing we're going to talk about is know your skin type. So before you even get out there and hit the pavement when it comes to looking for products to build your skincare routine, you want to make sure that you know your skin type. Are you oily? Are you dry skin? Are you acne prone? Are you sensitive? Are you combination? Because when you go to the store, you can then cancel out certain products and kind of zone in on products that are for your skin type, okay? Another thing that I want to talk about is that if you're really unsure about your skin type, go talk to a professional and they can definitely help you out to figure out what your skin type is. If you guys remember, I talked about Hello Ava a few videos back, and it says skincare consultant. And pretty much like you take a little test about your skin and how your skin is. You send in pictures of your skin and you can talk to a esthetician, and they actually help you pick out products for your skin. And I think that is an amazing tool to have, especially now where there's so many products out there in the world that it can get really, confusing. So I will leave links to that down below and the video and everything for you guys to go and check that out. But those are just some amazing tools for you guys to go and get additional help if you are really unsure of your skin type. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need when building a skincare regimen is a cleanser. This is just going to remove any dirt, any bacteria, anything from the skin. And of course, your cleansers are going to be catered to your skin type. So, that's why you want to know your skin type, so that you can know what cleansers to look for to use. But you just want something that's going to cleanse the face. It's going to remove any of the dirt, any makeup, anything that is going to clog the pores, cause bacteria, anything like that. You want to make sure you are getting a cleanser. Now, you want to cleanse your face twice a night. Oh my goodness, twice a day. So once in the morning and once in the night, you want to make sure that you are cleansing your face. Now, if you are a makeup wearer like myself, you want to make sure that you cleanse your face twice, and also use a makeup wipe to remove anything excessive. Or use a makeup wipe before you cleanse your face twice. But you really need to cleanse your face a little bit more than one who does not wear makeup, because a lot of makeup is waterproof and all that stuff. You want to make sure that it's really all off your face. Okay, so you want to make sure you get a good cleanser. And I will also have a video talking all about cleansers for skin types, so stay tuned for that. The next step is a toner. Now, toners are optional because what toners do, and I will have another video talking all about what toners do, so I don't want to get too much into it. But toners pretty much just pick up what's left behind after cleansing. They're really great for acne and oily prone skin, and they shrink the pores. So depending on your skin type, you may not really need a toner. So toners are kind of optional. I didn't start really messing around with toners until about a few years back. I never used a toner in my skincare routine until a few years back. So toners are optional, and if you do use a toner, it's about use it 1 to 2 times a day, like on the skin in the morning and on the skin at night, or only in the morning. So it just depends. So number 3 is a moisturizer. It does not matter And I don't care. It does not matter. I don't care, okay, what your skin type is, if you're oily prone or if you're dry. You need to have a moisturizer, and that will also key into what your skin type is. So if you're somebody who's dry skin, you'll have to use something that's more heavier, more of a cream base, versus somebody who has oily skin. They'll use something that's lighter and may have something treated like salicylic acid, tea tree oil in it, or benzoyl peroxide for the acne fighting property. So you need to moisturize twice a day after you cleanse your face, just to make sure your skin is getting the proper moisture and it's not dry. So definitely moisturizing is important. Next is exfoliators. So you want to get a face exfoliator, something that's going to take away that dead skin, because when you remove that dead skin off, not only does your moisturizer penetrate better, but your skin looks so much better. It glows. It looks a lot more vibrant. It's not dull. So exfoliating once to twice a week is really important. And depending on your skin type, how much you exfoliate will also play a key factor. Because if you're more sensitive prone, you won't exfoliate like twice a week, maybe once a week, versus somebody who could exfoliate twice a week and be perfectly fine. So having a face exfoliator is key. And the last thing is a face mask or a face sheet, some type of treatment for the skin. My personal favorite is Bentonite clay. It just takes out all the impurities out of my skin. It just kind of just gives me a little bit of a facelift. Like, I love Bentonite clay. I mix it with apple cider vinegar and some oils to really just make sure that my skin gets the nutrients that it needs. But adding in a face mask just treats the skin. It treats whatever problem you have. If you are dry skin, you'll put a face mask on that's very moisturizing. If you have acne, you would put on a face mask that is very acne fighting, with like tea tree in it, or, you know, apple cider vinegar, something like that. So you just want to make sure once out the week you are giving your skin a treat. And with that being said, you guys, that is pretty much it. That is how you can start to create your own skincare routine. And another thing I want to say before I stamp off this video, is that you want to be consistent with your skincare routine. Don't try it for a few days and say, oh, it's not working. Give it about a full month, and then if you notice that it's not a change in your skin, or you notice that maybe you're having a reaction to something, then you can change that out and try something different. But you have to give products time in order to see the results. And yeah, okay, unless there is something that you're using and it's really like making you have a bad reaction, then stop using it immediately. But besides that, give it a whole month to really work. Take notes on how your skin looks, how your skin feels. Take pictures on how your skin looks, how your skin feels, like, and just really map it out for the month to see if you need to change some things around or not. All right, so with that being said, you guys, thank you so much. Hopefully this was helpful to any of you guys out there who don't know where to begin when it comes to building a skincare routine. And so, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl, Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.